Hello everyone, dear fashion enthusiasts. I am delighted to meet you for a unique and captivating moment. Make yourselves comfortable as we dive together into the fascinating universe of the Coperni Spring-Summer 2024 show, presented during Paris Fashion Week. This creative duo, Sébastien Meyer and Arnaud Vaillant, always knows how to surprise us by combining technology with a contemporary and feminine aesthetic. For this collection, they took us to the heart of IRCAM, an iconic place where sounds come to life in a spectacular manner. Imagine yourself in this vibrant atmosphere where each note resonates and interacts with the space. The show opens with a symphony of abstract noises, a true sound ballet orchestrated by the moving panels that transform the room's acoustics. An immersive experience that immediately captivated the audience, prompting them to capture these magical moments with their phones. The collection that follows is a tribute to innovation where the past meets the future. The creations play on bold technologies, leather jackets incorporating transparent flat speakers and AI pins worn by the models. Each piece tells a story of interaction between sound and fashion. The designers also present their latest innovation, a bold Coperni sneaker, designed in collaboration with Puma. This unprecedented blend of sportswear and elegance perfectly illustrates their relentless quest for originality. Clothing details are revisited with ingenuity. The jacket lapels become scalloped works of art, while the sleeves of knits transform into moving sculptures. These stylistic choices inspired by sound demonstrate the duo's skill in transcending conventions. The sound theme intertwines with the creations. Imagine garments adorned with zippers whose sound contributes to a most captivating abstract soundtrack. A sheer black dress stands out with its fine zippered ruffles at the neckline, while the denim and jersey culottes will surprise you with their similar hems. The magic continues with a white dress embellished with lace details and 3D printed flowers, a feat of cymatic production where particles dance on a plate vibrating to the rhythm of sounds. The iconic Coperni swipe bag is reinvented as a Discman, a bold nod that blends nostalgia and modernity. And what about the metallic chevron skirt, reminiscent of a vintage microphone casing? As the show progresses, the collection reaches its climax by exploring ancient technologies. Inspired by the orchestral triangle, triangular inserts subtly embellish the backs of jackets and evening dresses, offering striking silhouettes. Brass is materialized in a trumpet bodice dress, while a final black dress evokes Anish Kapoor's sound monument, Marsyas. This Coperni Spring-Summer 2024 collection truly transforms fashion into an immersive sensory experience, a brilliant demonstration of innovation and creativity that promises a bright future for Coperni. The Coperni Spring-Summer 2024 show is an eloquent testament to boldness and innovation. It pushes the boundaries of what fashion can be, inviting us to reimagine our relationship with clothing and technology. Thank you for joining us for this fascinating exploration. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up, comment your impressions, and share your thoughts. Enjoy the rest of the show. To conclude on a light and fashionable note, did you know that Coco Chanel was superstitious and believed in the virtues of numbers, particularly the number 5? Her most iconic show was that of her collection on February 5, 1954. Perhaps Coperni will also find its lucky number. Goodbye and see you at the next style exploration.